In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add intraday buy and sell on TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, or any other instrument you normally trade. Having the chart open is important because we're going to be adding the indicator directly onto this chart. Once your chart is ready, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or the left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all available tools on TradingView. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on the search box so you can type into it. This search field is where you'll find specific indicators quickly, rather than browsing through long lists. Now, in the search box, start typing intraday buy and sell. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators and show you anything that matches those words. Look carefully through the results to find the intraday buy and sell indicator you want to use. When you see it appear in the list, simply click on it once. After you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see buy and sell signals or markings overlaid on your existing price chart. Take a moment to zoom in and out and scroll through your chart history to make sure the signals are displaying the way you expect. If you want to adjust how the indicator looks or how it behaves, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator name at the top of the chart, then clicking on the settings icon. From there, you can customize things like colors, line styles, and sometimes even the logic parameters, depending on how the script was built. If you're using TradingView Pro, or thinking about upgrading, there is an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you have access to more advanced chart layouts, more indicators on a single chart, and a smoother intraday trading experience overall. And that's all you need to do to add the intraday buy and sell indicator on TradingView Pro.